Hello, everyone. This is the Scope community meeting. I know this is a bit unusual today. Bianca, Philip, and I are sitting in a cafe right now because we didn't make it back to the office in time. Um, it looks like it's going to be a short meeting today. Uh, Brian, you wanted to talk about one PR specifically, or
Well, yeah. If we just look at the recent PRs, there's one about changing the build, and I'm not really a yarn person, but yeah. I mean, it seems to be deleting the files, and I'm not very sure whether it's deleting them on every build or not.
Yeah, I don't think that's. I mean, I didn't really know what to. Can you scroll down a bit to the code? I didn't really know. It seemed to me like it was. It could have been done simpler, but I didn't like go deep into it. It seemed like creating extra folders and bringing like basically having a like separate build docker run command, like build command, and then moving it to the original folder seemed like a bit of an overkill, and I somehow felt like there should be an easier way to do this, but I wasn't sure what the easier way would be. In the end, the problem is like just the user who runs the command. So I imagine we could somehow like change the user or something. So I wasn't sure what to do with it because this probably works. I still don't know why integration failed, tests are failing. But this probably works, and I wasn't. It seemed a bit like maybe I don't know if we should approve at this point. I just wasn't sure
Well,
what.
not if we don't understand it.
No, I do understand what's happening.
Oh, okay. What's happening?
Well, but the point is, I mean, basically, wait, let me try to recall. Where did the crucial changes? Yeah, I, I'm trying to remember what the actual issue was.
Well, I think the issue is that the build container runs as root.
Okay.
And then when we map a file in, we map a directory in, and it writes to that directory. So the files it writes are owned by root.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. But,
and
okay. So if we build it in one folder and then copy it along into a folder whose privileges we control, I think that's how this PR solves it. But it doesn't seem like the most elegant way. Like I somehow feel like this should be doable just by like changing something directly on the build folder instead of like building in two separate folders and moving the files across.
So what are the files? I couldn't work out if it was just the output, or because there's a cache as well, isn't there?
Okay.
In Yarn.
I think it's like the output.js files are affected, like have this problem. I think I don't know about a cache. No,
okay.
Maybe it's not. Like maybe I need to run it again to remember. I think I'm missing some details. What the original problem was. I didn't try.
Because I think I could live with the idea that we delete the output and recreate it every time. I do not want to delete the cache every time, because it takes, on my machine, it takes like 9 minutes to run that build step. And anyway, I don't understand. Well, it would be nicer, I think, if we just ran it as the current user instead of running it as root.
Yeah.
Which is not trivial, but I think it would.
that's I just didn't know how to do it. So like, but that seems like the most natural solution to the problem, I guess.
Yeah. Well, I don't know either, but if you Google run Docker container as current user, you find a number of people answering that question.
Okay, well, maybe we can, like, I can look into it a little bit and get back to this PR. I will think.
Okay, well, yeah, I guess I can comment on it, and because at the moment I feel this is too complicated, and
yeah.
Did I actually say something about running it as? No. Okay. I'll say that then.
All right.
Well, actually, I did say that on the issue. I said that on 3612. Okay. Hold on, I can link to that then.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, well, let's just like reply in the issue, and I will see like what we do with the PR. I feel a bit bad because I was commenting in how to simplify the PR, but maybe the whole idea of the PR is like we should take it in a different direction. But I would still like maybe to suggest modifications in that PR.
Yeah, well, I've commented in the PR. Okay, so other PRs, we've got 3, 5. We've got a few that I did that we don't need to talk about. We got.
I mean, one of them is approved.
3, 5.
I don't know if it's.
Yeah, I know. I didn't want to merge it before we did the release. I should do. Yeah, it's.
So, is there any?
Okay, I'll go on.
Blocked. Well, which would require a review, maybe.
So yeah, 3591 is the one that's kind of hanging out there, and
yeah.
So it looks like the person got bored. All right, let's take a quick look at the issues. No control equals true. Why would that be the case?
So this one might have been resolved actually. I think the person.
Oh yeah.
Said everything worked fine, but I'm not sure if we've created this one place in the doc.
Yeah, that one's been answered. Okay.
Yeah, I think we can just close it now. I mean, or I can close it like saying that the issue's been fixed, or I don't know.
I mean,
yeah.
Right.
So let me just check.
This is an idea for Simon, which I think in principle is a good idea. I'm not sure whether we have problem with pipeline permissions.
It's 3634.
I think I will just leave it there. Like if people upvote it or something, then think how to pick it up. It's probably one of those good ideas.
That would be so fun.
Yeah.
Which one are you talking about now?
example, 3634, build and host a UI for each PR. I mean, it
Oh yeah.
will just relate to the UI changes. So that's also.
Yeah. Yeah. So it's just an idea, right? There's no code there.
Yeah. Okay. That's it, I think.
Yeah, I think that was it.
So one more thing that's been happening is Daniel was adding Pool Panda. Is it called?
It's pull reminders.
Maybe you wanna say something.
Yes, so I worked with our GitHub admin, GitHub organization admins, and it looks like we need to set up a team. So you can have the auto pull assigner work with code owners, but it still requires a team of the maintainers, which is a bit unfortunate because we would have we've worked and non-we've worked people on the team, and Adam and Matthias for some reason didn't like the idea. I don't know what it implies. I'll have a chat with them and see if that means we need to pay for those users on the team. I don't know how it works. So that's also
Yeah. Okay. Good question.
the all of the pull reminders things. So I'll report back.
Sure. Okay. Well, that's about it then. I think. Anything else?
No, I think we're good.
Okay. Good.
All right. Have a nice
Enjoy
day.
your afternoon.
Yes.
Yeah.
Bye bye.
See you.
Bye.